Alright, so you've got a Transit that's got a misfire, like we do here. And you're not sure if it's an injector, coil, spark plug, or something really bad's happened. Well, here's a quick way to tell. You put it in clear flood mode by holding the gas pedal all the way down. She's not going to start, she's just going to crank like crazy. That sound right there, that's a dead hole. We don't have compression on one cylinder. And when you do let it start, oh, she's a shaking away. Stay tuned to see what we find out on this bad boy.